Whoa! Good morning, everybody. Me and Irina, we are just recovering from a few days of having a cold. My voice is very deep and powerful. Ho ho ho. So we're having a full day ahead of us. We are going to shoot a video today. We're gonna meet with an agency and they're gonna shoot a video of us. And we're also gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna also vlog behind the scenes. The shoot will involve a car, getting around the city, buying stuff from different places. And the whole thing will be made into a promotional video. But before we go, somebody wanted to say hi. First location.
We're gonna pick up some plants.
We are in a very traditional old building in Vienna. They have beautiful, beautiful tiles. Check out those tiles. By the way, love this floor.
Yes, we love the floor and the other one too.
Also very cool floor. Nice. Okay, now we're having the photo shoot at this location with the car, the camera is set up, the girl is here. It's so cold. Okay, let's do it. So that's our car for today.
Who's that?
This is our second location. Let me show you. This place is called Bulgasse 24. It's a really cool vintage shop. I think Irina's favorite. And we're gonna check it out, film a little bit around. So this is what I found so far. Do you think this is for guys?
I don't think so, but it fits.
Should I buy this one?
You should buy this one. I think it's a woman trench, but
Hello.
I love this look. Like I could really go like this.
This is nice. My mom used to wear something
Yeah,
like that.
everyone. My mom too. This or this?
This one. Well, would you like to be like a designer or
Of course,
the like
both. I would like to be a stylist.
a stylist?
Yes.
So the point of this whole shoot, Bavak has a promotion. If you want to buy a car, you can buy it for very good condition through the bank. What I love about this car is that it's a hybrid, which means you can ride on electric and on diesel. I would so love to have a hybrid or just an electric one. So that was the shoot day with Bavak and the guys from Be Better. If you want to see the video that we produced, I'm gonna link it down below. And
By the way, tomorrow we are leaving to Italy for a tour, so that's gonna be another adventure.
Yes. Wish us luck.
With that being said, me and Mango and Irina HP, we are closing the vlog for today. Thank you guys from Be Better. Thank you, Babak, and
Bye bye.
bye bye.